A scheduled maintenance outage here at Williams Station will help SCE&G continue to deliver safe, reliable electricity to our customers.
Over the past several months, SCE&G employees, plus more than 670 contract employees from 53 different companies, have worked together to complete a major maintenance outage at Williams Station, a coal-fired generating plant near Charleston, South Carolina. Together, they've completed dozens of complex projects, met tight deadlines, and faced challenges including unusually extreme winter weather. Some major outage projects have included replacement of the cooling tower, turbine overhaul, and boiler tube replacement. They also replaced the rotary car dump where the plant receives coal shipments. Throughout the outage, teams have made safety their #1 priority.
I truly believe that communication is one of the key components of safety here at Williams, and our contractors and our employees here on site have really done an excellent job of communicating safety concerns before, during, and after work.
Plant manager Kevin Wicker says scheduled outages like this one are needed to make the plant more efficient and reliable for our customers. But if you ask him what gets him really energized, he'll tell you it's the dedication of SCE&G employees who deliver powerfully every day.
We've got a great group of employees here, a great team of employees that make these outages manageable, everybody working together. It takes a lot of teamwork to not only do the projects we have to do, but to also manage almost 700 contract employees and as many projects as we have to do. So the employees working hand in hand as a team makes the outage more efficient, helps us save money, which ultimately helps our customers save money.
With the maintenance outage fully completed, Williams Station is back online and ready to provide customers with safe, reliable electricity for many years to come. Reporting from Goose Creek, South Carolina, I'm Jenny Jones.